Okay, what we about to do? We're going to simulate recovering vacuum and charging system. First thing you need to do is you need to check all your cords. Make sure you don't have any flex sprays, anything that would hinder this machine to work properly. Check this one. Cord is good. My hoses not damaged in any way. That was TV. Recovering and charging system. Check the straight about. Make sure the O-ring is in there. Everything looks good. The bearings look good. Okay. All right. Got everything. I need to open it up. Attach the hot side, which is right yonder. Yeah. Okay. Tighten it up, just 2 fingers. You don't want to damage it. Okay, now we're going to take the low side. Check the hoses. Make sure the hose is, everything is intact. Let's check this straight valve. Got all the bearings in there. O-ring. Seems to be okay. Okay. Just a little side up. A little light wouldn't hurt. Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, now that I have those hooked up, what I'm going to do is on the system. Man. I'm going to turn on the machine. Okay. So I'm going to come down here and check my oil level, see how much oil I have in the system. So whatever I have in the system, whatever I recover, I need to put back. So whatever it is right here, I will have to calculate how much, from there to how much oil I recovered. So that's important to put back in what you took out. Okay. All right. Oil level is good. Anything is fine. So if I was through, I would start the recovery. Pump oil time, change oil. So once I would start hitting recovery. I start recovering refrigerant from the vehicle. It takes about approximately 15 minutes to recover. So after the recovery process, once I recovered everything out of the system, then I would have to vacuum the system, bring out how much, whatever moisture that's inside the line. Okay, that would take approximately what, 30 minutes, give or take, till the system lets me know that the vacuum.
Even the shot, Okay, go ahead.
Now, I forgot to state earlier, you would turn the system on to the open position. Okay. Once you vacuum out the system, that's when you would charge it up. That's when you charge the system. And you want to actually, when you charge the system, you need to go by the manufacturer.
Continue.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Once we charge the system with whatever the manufacturer says that goes in that system, and once it's charged up, that's when we'll turn it off. The system is good. And that's it.
Get it.
Okay, now the machine is on, the system is closed. Okay, now I'm going to remove the free valve. Make sure you loosen it up all the way back. Pull that off. Take care of these hoses. But once you take it off, you need to wrap it around the machine. Okay, take the high side off. You turn that thing all the way back. Spray the valve. Pull it off. And lips. Okay. Gotta take care of these hoses. Wrap it back on the machine. And they Mr. Walker said don't never
Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is going to go over the operating machine and show you how to recover, vacuum, and charge your AC system. First step first, you have to check the cord, check the cable. Make sure everything is in working order. You don't want to either short, fry your machine, fry yourself. Worst comes to worst, let something blow up in your face. Don't do the inspection of the cord, make sure it's not frayed, make sure there's no cuts, there's no exposed wiring. Cord is good to go. Hold on, see up here in a minute. We gotta disconnect these valves. Wait, that's it. I'll tell you one more. Same thing again with your electrical cord, inspect your hoses, make sure your hoses are not frayed. If your hoses aren't frayed, make sure everything looks good, no holes. Same thing here on the high side. Make sure you don't check, make sure it's not frayed, make sure it's not cut. No holes in there. Last thing you want to do is pressurize the system, put a hole in your hose. So the first thing we'll do is we'll attach the high side. You can tell right here is a big straightener valve here. That's where you're going to be the high side. Okay. And as soon as it's on there, you just tighten it down. So you use 2 fingers. Otherwise, Mr. Watkins will come up behind you and rip you a new one. Alright, now you're going to attach your low side pressure. You can tell right here you got a small straightener valve. I'm going to show you with some white. This one right down here. And same thing, 2 fingers, you're going to tighten it down. You don't want to over tighten it. If you do, you'll actually ruin that valve on the inside, or you might tear up the O-ring. Once your machine's hooked up, you can turn open these, just open the valves, allow the machine to start. Turn our machine on. Now we got our machine on. Our valve should be in the open position. We'll look down here at our oil. Check our current oil level, and then whatever oil is removed from the system, it'll fill up. That difference in between the oil here and the oil removed will be the oil we have to put back in the system. And then we'll hit recover, and we'll start. Recovery process will take about 15 minutes. The machine will let us know when it's finished, when all the refrigerant's been removed. And then after that, we'll go into the vacuum. Same thing, we'll hit the vacuum roughly about 30 minutes to make sure that all the moisture, anything that was inside the system is removed as well. And after you get done with all that, you're going back to charger system. When you charge the system, you're actually adding refrigerant back in. Inside this machine here is a tank that recovers the refrigerant that you remove. You'll notice that once you hit the charge, it goes back in. You'll notice that the pressure valve here, everything will be good on this. And once your machine's recharged, the only thing left to do is just shut everything off. And then you'll come over here, shut the machine down, you'll unplug it, and remove your high side and low side tubing. So to remove the high side, you just unscrew it. Make sure it's as loose as it can get. And it pops right off. And you'll do the same thing for your low side. You're just going to use 2 fingers to loosen it, as loose as it can get, and remove. And after your removal, you're going to do like you do with any other job. You're going to clean up after yourself, hang your hoses back up, and you're done.
And that's